With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here is our question. A series LCR circuit with a resistance of 100 root 5 ohm is connected to an AC source of 200 volt. Okay, so here it is given that a resistance, a capacitor and an inductor. Okay, they are connected to a voltage source of 200 volt. Okay, to forming a LCR circuit. It is R and its value given 100 root 5. Okay, it is C and it is L. Now, when the capacitor is removed from the circuit, current lags behind EMF by 45 degree. When the inductor is removed from the circuit, keeping the capacitor and resistor in the circuit, current leads by an angle of tan inverse 1 by 2. Calculate the current and power dissipated by LCR circuit. So let us try to understand this. First of all, let us draw the impedance triangle. Okay, here in this triangle, this is Z impedance, base is R, that is resistance, and this perpendicular will be XL minus XC. Okay, and here we have theta, and this theta is the phase angle between current and voltage. Okay, phase angle between I and V, that is current and voltage. So now it is given that in first case we have removed this capacitor. Okay, so the circuit becomes RL circuit. Okay, because we have removed the capacitor from this circuit and everything will remain same. Okay, it is R and it is L. So the phase angle for this circuit is given equals to 45 degree. Okay, so now using this impedance triangle, we can write tan theta will be equals to perpendicular. Okay, here perpendicular is XL minus XC. Okay, and we have removed capacitor from this, so XC becomes 0. So this will be equals to XL upon R, and theta is 45, so tan 45 will be equals to 1. Okay, so we have 1 equals to XL upon R. So from this we can conclude that the value of XL is equals to R. Okay, this is the first case. Now in second case, it is given that we have removed the inductor and everything will remain same. Okay, it is 200 volt, it is C and it is R. This is second case. Now for second case, the phase angle given is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay, and now using the impedance triangle again, we have tan theta is equals to XL minus XC divided by R. Okay, but we have removed the inductor, that is why this XL becomes 0. So we have XC divided by R. Okay, and the value of theta is tan inverse 1 by 2. So we have tan of tan inverse 1 by 2 is equals to the value of tan inverse 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2, and that is equals to XC by R. Okay, so from this we have the value of XC is equals to R by 2. Okay, so this is the value of XC and this is the value of XL. Now we have to find the current and power dissipated in the original LCR circuit. Okay, so it is our original LCR circuit. It is R, it is C, it is L, and this is voltage source of 200 volt. Okay, so now the impedance for this circuit is given by under root of r square plus xl minus xc whole square. Okay, so now we have the value of xc and xl here, so we can put these values here. So r square plus the value of xl is r and the value of xc is r by 2 that we have just calculated. Okay, so now simplify this. So it will be equals to under root of r square plus r by 2 whole square, that is r square by 4. Okay, so now on finally simplifying this, it will be equals to root 5 by 2 into r. Okay, and the value of r given in the question is 100 root 5. So we can put the value of r here. Okay, so 100 root 5 divided by 2. So finally, we have the value of Z is equals to 250 ohm. Okay. Now, the value of current in this circuit is given by V upon Z. So V is equals to 200 divided by Z is equals to 250. Okay, so this will be equals to 4 upon 5 and finally equals to 0.8 ampere. Okay, now we also have to find the power dissipated in this circuit. So power dissipated will be equals to I square Z into power factor, and power factor is cos phi. Okay, so now we have I square into Z, power factor is equals to R upon Z. Okay, so here Z and Z will get cancelled out. So the value of I is 4 upon 5 and its square into R. The value of R is 100 root 5. Okay, so now simplify this. So on simplification, this will be equals to 64 root 5. Okay, and its unit is watt. So this is the answer for power dissipated in the circuit, and the current is 0.8 ampere. So that's our solution for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.